Okay guys, Spoke finally uploaded a video after making us wait 38 days. And after I asked you guys about the video, more than 80% of you said it's an absolute cinema. And I have to agree, the episode was an absolute banger. So here I am, going to tell you all the important things that happened. And trust me, this was not a normal episode, cause Spoke might have single-handedly changed the future of Unstable SMP. Let me explain. So as you all know, Spoke managed to win the war inside the Purgatory prison. And the victory didn't just free all the prisoners, but it also gave Spoke the control over Null, which is a massive army trapped there. So now instead of escaping alone, Spoke had a massive army of Null soldiers. And he basically did the one thing which no one expected. He started an entirely new civilization inside the end dimension. Like, who expected that? So Spoke used an Ender Pearl cannon to launch all of his army near an end portal. But as soon as he entered, it was not all good news. Because another civilization had already built a colony just above the end island. So Spoke did the most obvious thing. The Null community entirely wiped out the colony. Literally just vanished. So the invasion officially began. And after Spoke enters the end dimension, guess who we find there? Yeah, take your guesses. Of course, the guardian of the end dimension, Minute. And if you don't know Minute, he spent months protecting the end dimension. And then Minute goes on to inform Spoke that an invasion is about to happen, which is low-key insane, considering the part that Spoke just invaded a whole civilization up there. Like, literally, bro says to bro that an invasion is about to happen, but this bro is the invasion himself. And Spoke, being a diplomat leader, he practices his diplomacy and says, give us one quadrant of the end and we won't interfere with you. Famous last words. Everyone survives, but Minitech, being Minitech, he refuses. And at this moment, the video took a turn. It became so insane. And the moment negotiations fail, you know what's coming next. A full-blown war! Hundreds of Null soldiers attack and charge towards Minitech's army. And not gonna lie, Minitech played it really well, but against too many players, there's nothing we can do. Eventually, I never thought I'll say this, but the guardian of the end dimension falls apart. But the crazy part being that Spoke spared him. He didn't instantly kill him because Spoke believes in him. That one player can never ever defend a whole dimension. And he wants Minute to witness Null build something even greater. And if you have watched the video, you know what's coming next. I don't want to spoil it for you, but still there's an explanation video. And if you ask for my point of view, personally, I think this is Spoke's biggest mistake to spare Minitech. Because you never know the Batman. He can do anything. And with the battle over, construction work finally begins. Massive bridges connect the islands. Huge platforms are built. Castles, storage systems, farms, towers. Everything needed for Minecraft's most advanced civilization ever. But while exploring, Spoke discovers another civilization. Yeah, there's the second civilization he discovered. And instead of talking and making allies, you know what he did? He completely destroyed them also. Nothing new. And to be honest, his motto was pretty clear. If Null wants to be the biggest civilization, then it has to be the only civilization. Mark these words. And if you're thinking that things just got perfect and they could not go any better, Spoke prepares to return to the overworld. And you know what he has? A weather launching cannon, which is now even stronger than Wembu's orbital strike cannon. Like, imagine a bunch of weathers coming here. Like, bro, this area is gone. But while everyone was distracted, Minitech, the Batman, he pulled out his sleeve and got the last trick up his sleeve. He secretly destroyed the cannon. Now every single Null soldier, Spoke himself, and even Minitech are trapped inside the end. Luckily, there might be a way out, but as for now, no one knows that. And if you enjoyed the explanation video, consider subscribing and please like the video. Then press that hype button. It motivates me a lot, and thanks for your support, guys. See ya.